following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Welcome back to Good Day Kansas. We are here in East Wichita at Stutzman's. I have Ben joining me today. And Ben, I love our topic we're talking about. Fruits, vegetables, delicious summer food.
Oh, the beauty of summer produce,
so
isn't
good.
it? You know, I love going to farmers market just with all the varieties and things.
Yeah.
Because I really don't have time to do much of my own vegetable garden.
Yeah.
But something we've done here at Stutzman's for quite a few years. Obviously, the tomatoes have been part of our staple. All Kansas grown tomatoes. These particular ones here are beefsteak from one of our suppliers in St. John, Kansas.
I just want to take a bite out of it,
some
like
of
an
those are
apple.
actually,
They look so good.
yeah, we've had them up to 1.5 pounds.
Oh my
and
God.
just some really good sized ones. And then of course this time of the year we also start coming in with Colorado peaches, and those are always amazing. And our understanding from the growers in Colorado right now that the production is really, really good.
Good.
And then the cantaloupe also is the Kansas growing. We'll have watermelon coming on here around the 1st of August. That the black diamond watermelon that are just amazing. But something else that we've had for quite a number of years is we have an Amish farm down by Yoder, that Schrock Farms, that does pickles, pickled beets. Those are amazing.
Oh.
In the pickles, bread and butter, hot dill, or with jalapeno in it, and just a regular garlic dill, and then also some salsa will be coming as their gardens start really producing, the peppers and the tomatoes for them to make that. With that, it's just been, something that we like to carry. Kansas-grown product that really does perform well.
So you got some pickles and things like that here. So can you walk me through the kind of timeline that you guys have? So how your products kind of come and go with the season?
Kind of with the season, yes. Very few garden-grown tomatoes here in Kansas will be ready before the 4th of July. So they're just starting to come on, unless you've had them growing in a hothouse or greenhouse environment where it can be controlled to bring them on a little bit quicker. And some of those varieties are specifically for that. But then the Colorado peach is actually a little bit early for us this year.
Oh.
They didn't have some of the freezes, and temperatures were of such that they come on a little bit quicker. And ironically, the cantaloupe and watermelon are a little bit behind, just because some of the wet weather that we've had. So it varies, but usually you can kind of anticipate that by mid-July, coming on into late July, with almost everything available. Of course, zucchini and things like that have always been available, since about mid-June.
Before we go, can you let people know where you are located and how they can get more info?
First of all, thanks for coming, but also, you can always get more information at stutzmans.com, our website, or if you have a question about something, go to questions@stutzmans.com, and that puts you directly in touch with Jason French, who does our Stutzmans Home and Garden Show every Saturday on radio.
Amazing. Make sure to get here to Stutzmans, get your fresh fruits and vegetables. We'll have more on Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
We would like to say thank you to everyone who has shared and enjoyed the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Hi, this is Ben Miller. It's still Stutzman season. It's time to add or freshen up with our beautiful heat-loving summer plants that are now in stock at all our garden centers. These plants will pair perfectly with the planted flowers or enjoy them as stunning patio planters or hanging baskets. Just arrived. Gorgeous tropical houseplants plus cactus plants for your patio or home. Visit one of our garden centers or find us on Facebook or Stutzmans.com.
A Stutzman's greenhouse.